Morning, afternoon, evening. So I'm going to open the beehive up today. So about 10 days of the hive inspection. If you haven't seen the video, I'll put a link in the description. I couldn't find any brood, evidence of a queen. No eggs, no brood. I started feeding sugar syrup to try and stimulate some brood production. They don't seem to have taken much of the syrup, even though it has been quite warm, above 10 degrees all the time. So we'll open the hive up with thorough inspection, to at least confirm if there's a queen in there or not. If there's no queen, I have confirmed with a supplier I can get a queen in about 7 or 8 days time. But I need to 100% confirm there is or is no queen in that hive. So I'm going to put the bee suit on, light the smoker, and I'll see you over there. As you can see, I've got a nice cluster of bees. Sat on top of that queen excluder there. And they're not very happy. Just make sure the queen's on the back of this queen excluder, and she's not. Bit more smoke. Don't be shy with that smoke. Frame rests on. Okay, so that's the frame that's packed with honey. Still packed with honey. This one's got quite a lot of honey on it. Both sides. That frame's got a bit of honey on it around the edges. These seem to be clustering around a particular area on this frame, so I was double, triple checking the queen's not there, and she's not. Completely empty frame. Nice frame of bees. There's honey on that frame. Can confirm definitely no queen on that frame. Just excuse that lawnmower in the background. It's a nice day today, people have got the lawnmowers out. Lots of bees on that. Look at that. Okay, we've got brood. We have brood. Let's see if I can move these bees out of the way a little bit. Show you this brood. See there? Capped brood. So there must be a queen in here. Let's see if we can find her. So a small amount of capped brood in the centre of that frame. A lot of bees on it. It's difficult to tell if there's any eggs on there or larvae. That's the amount of bees on the frame. A bit more smoke. They are getting a bit agitated now. Okay, lovely. So in here we've got capped brood, we've got larvae. I'll try and show you. Capped brood both sides. See if I can show you. So I don't know how well you can see. When I edit this, I'll try and show you the brood and the larvae. You can see the larvae curled around in the cells. And that's all capped brood. So we've definitely got a queen in here, which is brilliant. Because 10 days ago, when I inspected this, I could not find any evidence of a queen. I can guarantee now we've got a queen in there. We've got capped brood. Awful lot of bees on these frames, so it's difficult to find the queen. She is marked, but she's marked in green. It's quite a dark green colour, so she doesn't really stand out. Again, capped brood and larvae on this frame, and a lot of bees. So right there we've got one frame, 2 frames, 3 frames of brood. No brood on this frame. There is a bit of honey and some bees. So I'm not going to pull these other 2 frames out. I know we've got brood now, so I'm happy we have got a queen. So I'm going to put this back together. What I'm going to do is look at this empty frame in between a couple of frames of brood. Just try and encourage the queen to start laying in that empty frame. Another frame of brood. So we've got 3 frames of brood. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to move this frame that's packed with honey closer in, so they've got easy access to stores closer to the brood. So I couldn't physically find the queen, but I know we've got a queen because we've got brood in there. So that's brilliant. It's capped as well, so we're going to have bees emerging soon. Right, I'll put this hive back together and then I'll bring you back. So in summary then, it's brilliant. We've got 3 frames of brood, we've got cat brood, we've got larvae, definitely queen in there, brilliant. So I'll just put sugar syrup back on. I did see a bee, I rescued a bee out of a spider web near the hive, and that bee had a lot of pollen on her back legs, so they're definitely foraging and bringing pollen in. Means there's forage out there, which is a good thing. So we'll open it up in about a week and we'll have a look what it's looking like in there. So yeah, thanks for watching, give us a thumbs up, I'll see you next time.